I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Elden Ring on GTX 750 Ti, easy method. Start by setting resolution to 720p and enabling performance mode in the game settings, then drop texture detail to low and disable shadows. Update your GPU driver and use a lightweight launcher to minimize background tasks. Cap frame rate to 30 to steady performance and avoid screen tearing while experimenting with small tweaks. Adjusting in-game settings will make the biggest difference for GTX 750 Ti players. Start with resolution at 1280 x 720, drop textures and shadows to low, and turn off anti-aliasing. Use a 30 frame rate cap for consistent play and enable performance mode if available. Turn off motion blur and ambient occlusion to save GPU cycles. Test changes in a safe area and tweak one option at a time to find the best balance. System tweaks complement in-game changes and help the GTX 750 Ti run Elden Ring smoother. Update your NVIDIA driver, close web browsers and recording tools, and disable overlays like chat or recording. Increase virtual memory if your system has low RAM to reduce crashes. Use a power plan set to high performance and ensure temperatures stay cool to prevent throttling during long sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.